Hey everyone, just wanted to show you how you can review your history or past grades in Sales Advisor. So if we click history up here, you can see that we've got a bunch of different grades here. Now the names that you see here are our AIs or our customers. We have grades ranging from 0 to 74. And each of these has a grading report. So if we were to go to 74 here, this gives us specifics on how I graded this and why. So you can see we have 5 specific variables, and each of these is a max score of 20. It tells us what we did well in the top, and it also gives us usually 5 or 6 areas to improve. Within each of these boxes, you've got a specific sort of description of what you did wrong, what you can say instead to improve that, and a call to action to do these things to improve setting a clear agenda. So this is great. Some of these your rep can copy and paste into our custom scenario, which we'll go over in a separate video, and work on this specifically here. So if we go down, you see that we've got 5 in here. And then at the end, there is a recommended next step, which it's telling the rep, here's what you should say to Sarah on that next conversation. So if we go back to another one, let's go ahead and go to history again. Let's go look at another one down here. So Jay Mercer, this was based on final boss difficulty, which is super, super scary and difficult. You can see that this is different. So this is acknowledging concerns, reframing an evidence, confirming resolution, maintaining relationship, and advancing the sale. Now, the reason why these are different than the past one I showed you is because this is all customizable. So we can customize this to whatever sales process you follow in your company. So if you're working with a sales training company, we can use their methodology and put that in here. If you're following a challenger sales approach or a traditional consultative selling approach, we can also use those and swap them in here. So that is a very customizable part of the training. We can give you a sort of a standard or a consultative one, which is what we follow as a starter if you don't have a specific one that you want to follow. And that would be something like this. It would be control agenda, earning the meeting, qualifying, professionalism and tone, next steps and close. But again, this is a very important part of our platform. So I wanted to spend a little bit of time explaining this to you. So again, this is all the session results found in the history. We're also going to be implementing in the near future a way for your rep to email this from this page right to their manager so that you can have access to their grading and use it in their coaching to see how they're improving throughout the month. Thank you so much.